I honestly get a lot of my inspiration from pretty mundane things. I think that there's something really beautiful about using my work to speak about everyday life because it's really relatable to everybody else. Instagram is kind of the place that I share what's going on in my business and in my life, and that's been the way that I've connected with my audience. Everything looks so polished online, but I like to be realistic with people. It's also nice to give people a peek behind the curtain, I think, as an artist, and more demystifying the process. Work hard, snack often is my motto, both in business and in life. And basically what that means is to work really, really hard, but to take lots of breaks and snacks. I very much view the working part as like the main meal, like the stuff that like is nutritious that you have to do, just as much as you make work for clients and use your talents to help other people sell their stuff and elevate their brands. Creative snacking is absolutely necessary when it comes to building a creative career, because I think it's creative self-care to work on personal work and to explore weird, silly ideas that you have. It's a really vulnerable thing to put yourself out there and put your art out there. It's a creative escalator. So wherever you are right now, you're only looking at the people ahead of you, and you're comparing yourself to people who are higher up than you and further along than you are. But we always forget that behind us are other people who are looking up to us, and you might make something that gets 1,000 likes, and you might make something that gets 10 likes, and it's still your art and you're still making progress, and that's really all that matters. The way that we use the internet is also how creative directors use the internet, and it's also how people who run multi-million-dollar brands probably use the internet. And so with that mentality, why not put your stuff out there? Because you never know who it's gonna get in front of and when. I was commissioned last year to paint a mural at Google's headquarters in California, and someone messaged me on Instagram for that. I basically owe my entire career to an inside joke that turned into a Tumblr blog, and thanks to the power of the internet and social media, it turned into the thing that started my lettering career, and honestly why I'm sitting here right now. I'm Lauren Hom, and this is SVA Creators.